Hey everyone, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today we are going to be making a painted buttercream cake. So the painted buttercream cake is very on trend right now, and it's a really easy way to make this really modern, artsy looking cake with a lot of texture in it. So something that's really cool about this cake is you can obviously use any different color combinations that you like. So I kind of had this vision in my mind of what I wanted this cake to look like. So I'm going to be using 5 different colors for this technique today. Depends on how it looks. I may add some more, I'm not sure. But you're gonna want to make sure to have your colors mixed ahead of time. And something really important is you need your cake to be really cold. So this cake has been in the refrigerator overnight. You can even freeze it if you'd like. But the cake definitely needs to be very cold and firm to the touch. So I have an 8-inch cake I'm going to be using, and I just have it iced in white. And a little tip for you is to get that really bright white icing color, I actually added a little bit of icing brightener to this. So it has that nice white because I want it to really pop against the colors that I'm going to be using. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So all we're going to be using for this technique is an offset spatula. And again, I'm just kind of going with what I'm seeing in my mind, and I'm going to start with the navy. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with the navy, and what you're going to do is you're going to actually put icing on the back of the spatula and use it kind of like a paintbrush. So it's on the back, and I'm just going to put it on the cake and give it a smear. So I'm pressing into the cake and just kind of smearing it. try this technique at home. And if you enjoyed this episode, go ahead and like and subscribe below. And you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.